Welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about ditching traffic, cutting down on commuting costs, or simply adding a little thrill to your everyday ride, then you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best budget electric scooters of the year. These scooters are not just about speed, they're about convenience, reliability, and making your daily rides smoother and smarter. Whether you're a student, a professional commuter, or just someone who loves weekend adventures, there's a scooter on this list designed with you in mind. So, stick around until the end because our number 1 pick is an absolute powerhouse that'll surprise you. Let's jump right in. Number 5, Okaroo G 5.0 Electric Scooter. Starting off our list is the Okaroo G 5.0, a major step up from its previous generation, the G 4.0. This sleek commuter scooter now comes with a 350-watt motor, pushing speeds up to 19 miles per hour, a noticeable jump from the old 13 miles per hour. That extra boost makes it far more practical for daily rides, keeping up with bike traffic and zipping through city streets with ease. But performance isn't just about speed. The G 5.0 packs a 36V 10.5 a high-capacity battery, giving you up to 21 miles of range on a single charge. For most commuters, that means you can ride for days before needing to plug in. Comfort and safety are also big wins here. The 8.5-inch honeycomb solid tires won't ever go flat, and they handle bumps, cracks, and potholes better than standard tires. Add in a dual braking system, bright lights, reflective strips, and UL 272 safety certification, and you've got a scooter that's dependable in every way. Number 4, K11 Folding Electric Scooter. Next up is the K11 Folding Electric Scooter, a model built for riders who want more power and comfort. Under the hood, it sports a 500-watt motor that peaks at 650 watts, pushing speeds up to 22 miles per hour. That makes it a bit faster and more responsive than the Okaroo, especially when you're weaving through busier city routes. What really makes the K11 stand out, though, is its range. Thanks to a 48V15Ah battery, it covers anywhere from 24 to 35 miles depending on your riding conditions, perfect for those who don't want to recharge daily. Comfort is another highlight. The 14-inch pneumatic anti-slip tires combined with full suspension, front, rear, and even under the seat, soak up shocks from rough roads. And yes, it even comes with an adjustable seat for longer rides. Need to carry groceries or gear? The K11 has a rear basket that can hold up to 40 pounds, making it one of the most versatile scooters in its class. Number 3, HXX6 Electric Scooter. Taking the third spot is the HXX6, a lightweight scooter designed for maximum portability. It runs on a 350-watt motor, peaking at 500 watts, with a top speed of 25 kilometers per hour. While it's not the fastest here, it's perfect for short commutes and urban riders who prioritize convenience. The 36V 7.5Ah removable lithium battery delivers about 27.5 kilometers of range, and with just a 5-hour recharge time, it's great for daily use. Where the HXX6 really shines is in its design. At only 10.5 kilograms, about 23 pounds, it's one of the lightest scooters in this lineup. Its triple folding system makes it easy to carry, store, or even fit into a car trunk or backpack. With 5.5-inch solid rubber tires, you never have to worry about flats, and the braking system combines electronic ABS in the front with friction braking in the rear for reliable stopping. Number 2, Vipco VS1 Electric Scooter. Coming in at number 2 is the Vipco VS1, a scooter built for riders who crave more power and versatility. This beast packs a 700-watt brushless motor that peaks at 1,000 watts, hitting a top speed of 28 miles per hour. That makes it one of the fastest scooters on our list, perfect for thrill seekers and fast-paced commuters. Its 48V13Ah removable battery provides up to 28 miles of range, and since it's removable, you can charge it both on and off the scooter. The VS1 also thrives on different terrains. With 10-inch pneumatic off-road tires and dual suspension, it handles city streets, gravel, and even light snow with ease. Its high-strength aluminum alloy frame supports riders up to 264 pounds, and the wide deck gives plenty of room for comfort. Number 1, GT8 Elite Electric Scooter. Finally, Taking the top spot is the GT8 Elite, the most powerful scooter on our list. This monster is powered by dual brushless motors, each producing 2,800 watts, for a combined peak of 5,600 watts. That translates to a jaw-dropping 46 miles per hour top speed, turning your commute into an adventure. The 60V27Ah lithium battery gives you up to 40 miles of range, with a recharge time of 6 to 8 hours. Considering its performance, that's impressive. But the GT8 isn't just about raw speed. It's equipped with 11-inch off-road tires, dual suspension, and hydraulic disc brakes, ensuring stability and safety even at high speeds. It also offers single and dual drive modes, so you can switch between energy-saving rides and full-throttle excitement. Despite its power, the foldable frame and detachable seat make it surprisingly practical. Which one would you pick for your daily commute or weekend adventures? Drop your choice in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more comparisons, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and as always, ride safe and have fun out there.